Okay, now let us refer to part B. 3 secant square x is equal to 5, 5 times 1 plus tangent x. Okay, same as the previous example, you realize that there is comprising of secant square x as well as tangent x. The most obvious thing is to revert to your formula sheet. Secant square itself, I'm going to get started, can be written as 1 plus tangent square. Please remember to write a bracket. After that, you are to simplify everything and equate everything to 0. Okay, simplify and equate everything to 0. Okay, same as your previous, I can actually let my tangent x be equal to a. So this is what I have. Am I able to factorize this? I'm very certain you can. So in this case, I can rewrite my a as tangent x. So, with the use of zero product rule, I can conquer that tangent x is equal to negative 1/3. Or tangent x is equal to positive 2. Now, same thing, please solve separately, finding the reference angle before you find the value of x. So let us find out the reference angle in this case. Tangent inverse of 1/3, taking the absolute value. I'll get a 0.32175. Okay, so since tangent is negative, so it must lie inside the second as well as the last quadrant. Remember, we are dealing with 0 to 2 pi. So if it lies in the second quadrant, it must be pi minus the reference angle. So I take pi minus the reference angle. If it lies in the last quadrant, pi minus the reference angle. Similarly for the next one, finding the reference angle, tangent inverse of 2. Okay, since tangent in this case is positive, it must lie in the first as well as the third quadrant. If it lies in the first quadrant, it will be the reference angle itself. If it lies in the last quadrant, the third quadrant, it must be pi plus the reference angle. So now, please estimate all your answer to 3 significant figures and arrange in ascending order your solution. And remember to underline all your answers if they fall within the range expected. With that, we are done with B.